It's on Lisa, and today I'm here with Kelly, and we are going to be making slime. Okay, so first thing, but
this video was inspired by JoJo. She made me love this.
Yep. And so today we are going to be making fluffy slime, and this is what it is.
We already
It's really fluffy, and it doesn't stick to your hands.
Yeah.
If you do it right. Ah!
Ah!
So
Oh my god, it got stuck. It got stuck. Oh no. Mine got stuck.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. We can just mix it together.
So yeah. Oh my gosh, my hair's crazy. Okay, so yeah, this is.
I already made slime, but they got stuck together, so I'm mixing them.
Yeah, so it's gonna make purple that she's mixing them. But while she does that, I'm going to show you what you need.
The blue one is better, so it's going to show up more blue and pink.
Yeah. So you're going to be needing any kind of slime activator. I use borax with a water mixture. That's my slime activator, but you can use any slime activator. Look at it. You will also need any kind of glue, school glue. I use Elmer's glue. You'll also be needing any kind of foam shaving cream. And I think that's all. If you want to add a little bit of color, then you can.
Oh, and you also need like a big bowl and a spoon, like a
any kind of mixing utensil.
That you don't really care about.
Let me see if I can mix this really well, really fast. So yeah, I could see that it's starting to turn.
It looks like cotton candy.
I know. Like there's like a blue one.
It's
starting to turn a little bit purple. But without further ado, let's get started.
Wait, let's go.
Okay. What? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour it into Kelly's.
Could you show the cup thing?
Okay.
And you also need like some like mixed thing, like some paint and like.
Let's not use this. Just this. Okay. Okay. So I just poured a bunch of glue. You could in, and then you're going to be using your shaving cream. Put it here. Take it. Then you're going to pour it in. Shake and. Then you just want to mix it. It's good. So then you just want to mix it as much as you can until it gets into a foamy substance. And as you can see, is this slime? I don't think so. So, what you want to do is, that's when you want to use your slime activator to come in and help you save the day, right? This is also how you make cloud slime. So then you are going to want to add your slime activator.
Pour some in.
Pour it little by little.
Tell me how
And
much.
And it starts to oh wait, before you do that, you'll also
Need to pick your colors.
You don't have to do a color, but you should because like it's like really fun. What color am I gonna do? I'm gonna do like yellow, I think.
Let's do like two colors this
Yeah,
time.
yellow. I'm gonna do yellow.
I'm gonna do blue. Blue and then sparkle green. Ooh, so pretty.
So yeah, I just put in yellow.
You should also use green. This is like a blackish.
Okay, so see how
like
mine
a
is starting to
blackish.
unstick from the bowl?
Mine's like blackish.
And once it's
It's like
it's supposed to. You want to add it little by little. I did not do it little by little, but it's supposed to unstick from the bowl completely. I learned that.
Mine
the
is
wrong way.
like not forming into blue. I'm gonna put like a little bit more.
I know, that's why you have to keep stirring. Trust me, it will.
I'm doing like a tiny bit more. It's like trying to get red in it.
I know.
Ow. We already made it fine.
Yeah. So
It
then
got stuck to the bowl.
it's out of the bowl, and then I'm going to pick it up, and I'm going to knead it. This is so. This
now I'm gonna
is
put my glitter in it.
foamy cloud slime.
Oops.
Woo! I'm going to. You might need to add a little bit more until you like it, but yeah.
What are you doing?
Singing a song. Yeah. Okay. So then, yeah. Then you might want to knead a little bit. Here, take it out. Here, let me. Here, do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Give it to me.
That thing would not come out of it.
No. Okay. Now grab it. Now give me your hands. Grab a little bit too much shampoo. Okay. Now keep stirring.
I have a
and then-
tiny like it's all in the insides.
What is?
All the glitter, like the green glitter.
Yeah. So then this is. It's kind of stretchy. Like you can make it stretchy by adding a little bit of lotion, but it already is pretty stretchy. But yeah.
I'm making this one for my brother at my house because, actually it's for me because this one's all messed up.
Yeah. Like look at this. But it will turn into a really cool shade of purple.
I'm gonna make one
I
for
know.
my brother.
Yeah, so this is the purple slime. It's not completely purple yet. And so let's show them our last slime. So this is mine. It's yellow
Well, we
slime.
should-
Let's name the slime. What about this is
Well, this one's gonna be Rainbow Union. It looks like it's like a
Yeah.
a unicorn's color, and it's.
if you want we could add like some of this like glitter glue. Yeah,
Yeah.
that'd be really cool. Okay, so this is yellow and its name is Yee. Yee Yellow. I don't know. That's a really bad name.
Yeah. You should name it like.
I don't know. Okay,
Yeah.
so
I'm
thank you
making.
guys.
I'm making this. Yeah.
Owl. Okay. It's
Owl blue. Owl blue.
Owl blue. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching.
That's what's
Do
baby
not
blue.
forget to subscribe.
This is gonna be baby blue.
It is baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Once we get 10 subscribers, 10.
We will
Then we're
do
going to do
fun
something
stuff.
crazy.